Okay, so this has been a pretty massive year. And so this, excuse me, this workshop came through as a way to make space for the integration of this last year. And more now than ever, I've had this realization that my chart is a clock for me, of a cyclical clock, not in a clock of the sense of, our world, like it's time for this and we're late. And, it's just an invitation. I always talk about how, the intuition is like the quiet whisper. That the intuition is like a quiet whisper, and that our ego or our fears are like the big yell, like a lot of yelling. Okay, welcome to the final countdown. This is the last eclipse in Sagittarius in this capacity, in this way, for the next 18 years. We will have a north node eclipse in 9 years, but this is a south node eclipse. And the nodes of the moon are calculation points. And those calculation points tell us where the eclipses will be happening. And they also tell us where the collective dharma and karma is getting lit up. So the collective dharma for these last 18 months has been trying to pull us a little bit, somewhat gently, somewhat not, into the Gemini energy, which is your close neighborhoods, your close community, speaking, communicating your truth, commerce, trade. Very like Gemini things are about seeing more than one side of a story, being able to go to the depths. Like I just talked about, the energy that we're in right now, and I'll go over that again, but it's like not seeing darkness as bad and light is good. Seeing it all is necessary for us to gain more understanding, to gain more wisdom, to gain more clarity. So in that sense, we have been through that process. It's been an intense last 18 months with this North Node in Gemini.